Hi, everybody, and welcome back to our Friday Focus series, in which I look at stocks and the market through the lens of Structural Valuation Analysis, or SVA for short. My name is Ross Healy, and I am the chairman of Strategic Analysis Corporation. In my new book, Inside the Market, which, by the way, is available at Amazon for $24.95, with a stunning royalty payment to me of 34 cents a book. So please buy 3 so that I can say that at least I made $1 off you. In my new book, I write that I have 3 and only 3 rules for buying stocks. Number 1, I like to buy good balance sheets. Number 2, I like to buy stocks with good upside potential. Third, I like to buy cheap. Now, every year since 1993, on the 2nd of January, I have published a list of 20 stocks in either or both the Canadian or the US market, which meets those critical criteria. No surprise, they have done well over the years. This year, for instance, on average, they have gained 29.4%, following a 31% gain in 2024. Today, I'm going to review and update one of those stocks for you, because despite its 48% gain year to date, my choice still looks as if it has lots of oomph left in it. That stock is Power Corp. So let's take a little bit of a review of the company. I've been following Power Corp for a very, very long time. Paul Desmarais, the senior, the founder of the company, died a few years ago, and the boys took over, but they were not the same kind of builders that Paul Desmarais Sr. was. Eventually, the shareholders said, well, hey, boys, if you're not going to do the work, then perhaps we should hire some professional management that would. And since that time, I have been watching the stock carefully to see evidence that the new and refreshing management has taken over. Of late, that's exactly what has happened. So this year, I put that stock into my select list of 20, and I have been rewarded for that stock because there has been a lovely increase in the price. Now, let's take a look and let me tell you what I see from here. Okay, first, there are no flies on its balance sheet. Indeed, Power Corp owns 3 very important Canadian companies: Great-West Life, IGM Financial, the mutual fund company, and Wealthsimple. So we've got a very, very powerful company here at our fingertips. Second, look at the dotted line. That's the fair market value, the intrinsic value of the company. And you can see that it is some 98.2% higher than the current price. So we've got lots of upside potential. Third, do you remember what I said about stocks that break out over their blue price? I said that when those stocks break out over their blue price, that's the BL price right there, they have a strong tendency to rise to their book value, which is their normal price, their N price right there. Well, that is a pleasant 39% higher than today. I have to tell you that I have found few other stocks on either side of the border that offer that very nice upside potential, and indeed already have a bit of a head of steam behind them, that have the same balance sheet potential and the same cheapness. That is exactly the kind of stock that I look for when I am choosing our annual quality list of shares. I hope that you've enjoyed my look at Power Corp, symbol POW on the TSX exchange. That's all for now. I hope that I will see you next Friday. Have a good and profitable week.